scripts, images.
Videos, voiceovers.
All free, all possible, right now. That is what Mavestar finds for you. Mavstar finds for you.
That is what Mavstar finds for you.
They told you the best AI tools cost money. They were wrong. What you just watched, every single frame of it was generated completely free using 4 platforms that most creators have never even heard of. No subscription, no credit card, no trial, just free tools running under the radar right now, producing cinematic quality that matches the top paid models on the AI benchmark leaderboard. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use every single one of them. I am Mavstar. I do not follow AI trends. I rewrite them. Lock in because we are going somewhere most creators never go. Real quick before we start, drop blueprint in the comments right now and I will pin the master prompt PDF with every link and every setting I use in this video, completely free, just like everything else here. Now, let us get straight into it. The first platform is Perchance AI, and I need you to do something before we go further. Do not judge this platform by how it looks. The interface is still growing. It is basic. It does not look like a premium product, but I promise you, what it actually produces is competing directly with the highest ranked models available right now. Most people scroll past Perchance AI because of the UI, and they are missing out completely. Do not make that mistake. Judge it by the output, not the interface. We are starting with the standard evaluation, a simple selfie prompt. This is the test we run on every new tool to see what it's actually capable of. Right here on Perchance AI, you can build your entire prompt visually without needing to know anything about prompt engineering. Select your shot type first. You have extreme close-up, low angle, high angle, and portrait. I'm going with portrait. Then pick your color. I want vibrant. Then choose your effect. We are going with epic fantasy. Watch how the platform automatically assembles your full prompt as you make each selection. This is completely beginner-friendly by design. You do not need any technical knowledge at all. Now select Cinematic for your style. Choose Landscape if you are on desktop, or Portrait if you are on mobile. Set how many generations you want. I'm running 4. Hit Generate and watch what comes back. No credit warnings appearing, no limit messages popping up, no interruptions of any kind. Just clean, fast generation running smoothly based on your internet speed. Look at those results. Close-up shots with sharp detail and cinematic color. The color grading is solid, the saturation is on point, and the retention of image details is genuinely impressive. These results are good enough to use for real content right now. I'm saving all of them because that's how good they actually are. You can also switch the style completely. Let's try Western. Hit Generate and watch the entire mood of the image shift. The same tool, the same prompt structure, completely different cinematic result. This platform also supports video generation and gives you access to community-uploaded models, so the library keeps expanding. Click Save, click Download, and your images are ready to use immediately. No watermark, no catch. Moving to the next platform, and this one has a completely different purpose. Hunyuan AI is built specifically for video generation. The interface is clean, modern, and everything you need is right there in front of you. You can see all the available tools from the moment you land on the platform, and you can access all of them completely free with no credit limit holding you back. Hunyuan is currently one of the strongest performing models on the AI video benchmark leaderboard right now, and honestly, it's not getting nearly the recognition it deserves in the creator community. Most people haven't heard of it, which means you're getting ahead of the curve by using it right now. Let's run a live test. Same prompt I've been using throughout this video. Describe your scene clearly, select your aspect ratio. I'm using 16:9 for YouTube, then choose your model. We are going with Seedance, which is the top performing model on the benchmark right now. Hit Generate. Fast, secure, no loading errors, just clean processing. Look at what came out. Smooth motion from the very first frame to the very last. The retention between frames is on point. No lag, no sudden quality drops, no artifacts breaking the flow. The animation feels natural and cinematic. For a completely free tool, this level of output is genuinely shocking. And if you head over to the community section inside Hunyuan, you'll see exactly what other creators are already building here. The standard of work being produced on this free platform right now is at a level most people associate with expensive paid subscriptions. That is where Hunyuan AI sits in 2026. Now we get to the one I saved for the main event, Qwen AI. This platform is directly competing with the top-end paid models in the image generation space right now. We're talking Hollywood cinematic quality output, and it's completely free.
I know exactly how that sounds. I know you're sitting there thinking I'm overselling it or exaggerating to get your attention. I am not. I am going to let the output speak for itself and you can make the call. The interface is clean and modern, professional looking from the moment you open it. The best way I can describe Qwen AI is that it is the chat GPT of image generation. And what separates it from everything else I've shown you today is the way it actually processes your request. Most AI image tools take your prompt and immediately start generating. Qwen does something different. It thinks first. It works through the logic of what you asked for, considers what the absolute best version of that request looks like, and then delivers that version. Watch what comes out when I generate right now. Cinematic. Detail. The prompt adherence is exact. After thinking thoroughly, it brings out the best possible result every single time without fail. But here is the feature that genuinely sets Qwen apart from everything else. You can edit the image directly from the same interface without switching to another tool. I want to change the hair color in this image to white, and I want to change the coffee cup in the scene to a Coke. Watch how it handles those edits simultaneously. Look at the level of detail it maintained through both of those changes. The saturation stayed consistent, the lighting held, the photorealistic adjustments are seamless. Everything looks natural after the edit. That level of in-platform edit control is something most free tools simply can't offer. Now we take this edited image directly into video generation from the same interface using the master prompt from the PDF. Click Generate and watch what Qwen produces for the final output.
Look at the motion quality, the frame consistency, and how well it held the characters and environment throughout the whole clip. Now watch the second generation with a completely different prompt and scene. Different mood, different environment, same level of cinematic quality. Two separate videos generated completely free inside the same platform without ever leaving the interface. And before we move on, I want to show you something that most people never explore inside Qwen AI. Look at my generations gallery right here. Every single one of these was produced inside this platform. Different styles, different scenes, different prompts, all free. This is what consistent use of Qwen AI looks like when you know how to use it properly. Now, let us go into the community mode. This is where Qwen AI becomes something completely different from a standard generator. Right here inside community mode, you can see all the models that are available to you. The model library inside Qwen is extensive. Different models built for different styles, different use cases, and different levels of quality. You can browse through all of them right here and choose exactly which model fits what you are trying to create. Let me show you how to actually use these models. It is straightforward. You come in here, you find the model you want, you paste your prompt directly into the input field, and you hit Generate. The model processes your request and delivers the output. No complicated setup, no technical knowledge required. Just find your model, paste your prompt, and generate. The library keeps growing as more models get added to the community, so every time you come back, there are new options available to you. This is why Qwen AI is not just a tool, it's a complete ecosystem for free AI generation.
The final platform is Arena AI, and this one is fundamentally different from everything else I've shown you today, because Arena AI is not an image generator and it is not a video generator. Arena AI is your intelligence source. It is the platform that tells you exactly which AI models are actually performing the best right now based on real head-to-head testing, real data, and honest rankings with zero marketing bias. No sponsored placements, no paid promotions influencing the results, just pure performance data. Filter the leaderboard by overall performance and you'll see Claude is currently sitting at the top. Gemini Pro with 1 million tokens is right behind it. This is your source of truth for knowing exactly which free models are worth your time this week and which ones you can safely skip. The leaderboard updates regularly, so the data you are looking at is current and accurate. Now let's filter specifically for image and video generation to find which free models are winning in our exact niche right now. You can see the rankings shift when you apply the filter. This tells you precisely where to focus your generation credits for maximum quality output. Head to New Chat inside Arena AI. Select the side-by-side model comparison mode. Click Generate Videos. Drop in your prompt. Run the generation. The only step between you and the output is a quick bot verification. Click through that and watch what happens. You are now seeing the top-performing AI video models generating from your exact prompt side by side in real time. This is the most powerful way to evaluate free models available right now. No guesswork, no wasting credits on models that underperform. Arena AI shows you what is actually best before you commit to anything. This is how serious creators stay ahead of the curve in a space that moves as fast as AI does. And before I close this out, I want you to see something important. Every single character you are about to watch right now was generated completely free using the exact platforms I just showed you throughout this video. The images, the animation, the voice you heard them speak with, all of it was produced using free tools. No paid subscriptions, no expensive software. Just the platforms I showed you today used in the right way with the right prompts. Scripts, images, videos, voiceovers, all free. All real, all possible right now. That is what Mavestar finds for you every single week. Let me bring it all together for you. 4 platforms. Perchance AI for building cinematic images with a beginner-friendly prompt builder that anyone can use from day one. Hunyuan AI for generating smooth, high-quality video content that competes with premium paid tools. Qwen AI for cinematic image generation with built-in editing features and direct video generation from the same interface. And Arena AI for staying informed about which free models are actually performing the best right now, so you always know where to generate for maximum quality. All 4 completely free. No credit card required, no subscription needed, no hidden catch anywhere. If you want every prompt I used in this video organized in one clean document, drop Blueprint in the comments right now, and I'll send you the complete master prompt PDF directly. It includes every platform link, every generation setting, and every prompt structured exactly the way I use them in this video. Completely free, just like everything else on this channel. And if this video showed you something that most creators simply do not know about yet, hit that subscribe button right now. Because every single week on this channel, we go out and find what is actually working. We test it ourselves, we cut through all the noise, and we give you the real, honest picture. No hype, no affiliate deals, no paid recommendations ever. Just the truth about what is free and what genuinely works for creators right now. I am Mavestar. I do not follow AI trends. I rewrite them. See you in the next one.